Well, it's Tuesday morning and we are expecting some bad weather today. It's very still, but it's very, very cloudy. I'm looking at the radar map on the internet. There's heavy rain coming in and it's just about to start now, I think. You can just feel it. But it's also the first Tuesday in the month. And at 10 o'clock they do a tornado practice, tornado warning practice, and all the alarms go off and warnings come on the telly and everything. So it's just about 10 o'clock now and we should hear the alarms at any minute. So we'll keep recording and wait. Here we go. That's the alarm going off. It's not very far away from it actually. Right, we have to do our duty and go down into the basement. Oh, it's only me and Jessica doing it.
Yes, those two are silly.
Right, we're going down into the basement. Right. Have we got plenty of food down here?
I don't think we got food. I think we got things for no food. And a toilet. I don't know what we got. Anyway. And so we got games. And we got this horrible stuff.
So here we are, safely in the basement now, aren't we? Oh, we've got plenty to drink.
Yeah. No food, I don't think.
No food? Well, that's no good, is it?
No. I'll check the cupboard to see if we do have food.
We'll have to ask Auntie Janet why we've no food down here. What happens in a real tornado?
Not a clue. So I'm looking. Yeah, because John does get kind of hungry a lot. Oh. We have chocolates and said only adults can eat these chocolates.
Oh, right.
So that's not good for John. Because he likes food.
Right. Can we go back upstairs now?
No.
Oh. Why not?
See? Listen. We need to stay here until Nanny and Becky come.
Well, they won't come down, will they?
No.
Come on, we'll go back upstairs now.
Why?
Okay.
Oh, come on. Wait for me.
Turn the lights out.
Okay.
Still going.
Has it come up on the telly?
No. It's finishing
Right,
now.
stopping now. That's a tornado watch practice over.